Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to replace a toilet seat. First thing you're going to want to do is to clean the toilet seat area and clean the toilet because your head is going to be near the toilet and that's kind of gross. So once you've cleaned all over the toilet, you can get started with the next step. First step is to remove these bolts that are holding the seat onto the toilet. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver. Sometimes this will spin on you and you have to hold it with your hand or with a vice grip or something of that nature. Remove those bolts and do the same thing on the other side. And off it comes. Clean this area because it's probably the last time that it's going to be cleaned in a long time, unless you're regularly taking off your toilet seat. This toilet seat comes off for easy cleaning though, and the bolts snap into place like so. Close the lids. Make sure everything's aligned. And tighten down the nut. Repeat the process on the other side. And in this case, you're going to use a ratchet and continue tightening until the bottom piece breaks off. And do the same on the other side. And you've just replaced your toilet seat with an easy clean toilet seat. Please like, subscribe, and comment.